Hi everyone, welcome to this guide on video annotation. Today, we'll learn how to annotate a short video of a tennis game using bounding boxes and Polygon annotations. By the end of this video, you'll know how to label players, the ball, and other objects while adding useful attributes and classifications to enhance your dataset. Let's get familiar with the video before we start labeling. After uploading the video to the tool, the first task is to choose the appropriate annotation type for each object. We identified two objects here, the players and the ball, as seen in the video preview earlier. You could make your labeling work even more precise by annotating additional elements like shadows, buildings, etc. We'll use bounding boxes to label the players. A bounding box surrounds the object with a simple rectangular shape, making it ideal for players since their outlines don't require high precision. For the tennis ball, let's use Polygon annotation. While a bounding box is equally good for this purpose, I'll use a polygon for demonstration purposes. To make our dataset even more informative, we can add attributes and classifications. Let's add an attribute to the player that highlights their activity. Similarly, attributes like jersey color, position, etc. could be added. As you can see, we have various types of attributes to choose from. I'll be going with the radio button and add two options to it. Classification can also be made for the video as a whole. Here's how. So after adding playing conditions as classification with open arena and closed arena radio options for it, we will move to main labeling interface by clicking Save and Next up here. Let's get to the labeling work now. Our video has 54 frames, so we'll annotate after every 4 frames. You can adjust your labeling methods accordingly. Let's first label the player by clicking on it from the Object section. As we saw in the preview of the video earlier, the players in the court were playing, while the players standing outside it were idle. So let's add more detail to the objects by adding attributes to them. We can adjust the dimensions of the bounding box anytime by clicking on it. Now, after selecting the ball, we draw a polygon around it in this way. After drawing a single dot, use Shift and guide your pointer around the ball to precisely label it. At the end, press N on your keyboard to finish it. Now the ball is precisely labeled. Return to the original zoomed-out view by clicking up here. Now, in the same fashion, we have to label the other balls too. Time-consuming task, right? To save time, we use the SAM Segment Anything Model feature, which effortlessly annotates the tennis ball with just a single dot. We now quickly label all the balls present here. To wrap up labeling the first frame, we select the playing conditions as Open Arena. This serves as the classification for the video as a whole. We can directly select objects by pressing the numbers present in front of them. For the ball in this instance, we press 1. Annotating all 54 frames manually by repeating the same bounding boxes and polygons can be a tedious and time-consuming task. Thankfully, we have a solution for this. SAM2, the Segment Anything model. To save time, we'll use SAM2 for subsequent frames. SAM2 leverages AI to predict object boundaries based on previous annotations, automatically adjusting the bounding boxes and polygons for the next frame with ease and precision. For a detailed explanation of how SAM2 works, check out our video on the channel. We apply SAM to all the objects here. Once you've annotated all the frames and added attributes, review your work to ensure accuracy and consistency. Notice how our video annotations create a clear and detailed dataset. Now that we've applied SAM2 to all our objects, let's play our labeled video. That's it for this guide on video annotation. We've covered bounding boxes, polygons, SAM, attributes, and classifications. With these techniques, you can create detailed annotations for any video dataset. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more informative content. See you in the next video.